Well, welcome to the AMG first oil change on 2024 AMG. We're starting hopefully what's gonna be nice and smooth and long-lasting streak of excellent reliability and awesome satisfaction. But it's 1,000 miles today on July 20th 2024, and we have to replace the oil after first initial braking period, 1,000 miles, which is always my routine, my personal routine. Not too many makes recommended. I do it, and that's why I think I have an edge over an average ideas, and that's why I'm able to take my vehicles to very high mileage at very good condition, almost factory new like engine, which does not consume any oil, has no leaks, it's constantly clean, very good. Of course, synthetic oil, which is being replaced normally every 5,000 miles. On this one, we're gonna do every 3,000 miles. So that should be about once a month. I'm expecting to do about 30,000 miles on this car and 30,000 miles on the S-Class, which is on the street. Both vehicles are normal to me, are gonna be and are maintained by me. Because total amount is 9, and we're gonna do this without the funnel, as you see, as we always done it my whole mechanical life. Gonna check it now. So one supposed to be left, and that should be fine. 9 looks like. And placing the car back now, and that's all done. That's it for today.